What's good at Whānau? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This video, if you didn't know by the title, we just finished having Te Hononga Moemoea, which was our Rangatahi Kapa Haka, say like regionals, and it was the first time they had like Whakataetae, which means it was competitive, so there was judges, you know, and they were competing for prizes, which was like taonga. And yeah, it was a mean as day. Yeah, I was there with Allies selling all the Allies gears, so you'll see the behind the scenes of that. But also the pōhuri, some of the performances, but yeah, it was just such a mean day. Such a mean day. And Kapahaka is definitely coming up in Aussie. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Ciao! Everyone's getting ready for the pōhuri. Our neighbours for today. Hey, che mabalas. We on. Oh, Whānau. Hey! We're here at Te Hononga Moemoea. We've got the Allies store there. Hey! This handsome bugger. Hey! Mana? Hey, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Kapai?
Yeah, we're getting there.
He's doing the pōhuri.
Yeah, still trying to...
Hey! Look who we got here. Hey! Hey, my brother.
Choice.
Kapai.
That's the one. That's the one. What up, young blood? Ready to bring some vibes to
go.
Hey, bring those vibes.
Always.
Win all those prizes again.
You emceeing today or?
Yeah, because there's 4 of us.
Oh, means.
So I'm trying to get a head start on the program so I can slip what I want
That's
to
good
be
that there's at least 4.
Nah, yeah.
Got some fellas to bounce off for you.
Well, just bounce up.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh. Who's the best out of you, Urus?
Me.
Ooh.
These two.
Hey. Hey. Little pre-pōhuri antics. Oof. Hey! There he is.
Oh, kia ora, my brother.
Good, my very good.
Hey, brother, good to see you. Cheers, brothers. Looking good, looking fresh.
Brother, there we
Oi.
Hey.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, rocking it.
Hey.
Hey, just straight, hey, look, it looks good, Whānau. Hey, it feels good too. Hey. Kia ora.
Hey.
Get up.
My brother. Good to see you, my brothers.
Tōkara.
Hey. Bit of a judge now. Hey. Hey. Bit of a judge. Hey. Bit of a judge. Fuck.
Yeah, so really, I got packed in the judges section. I was like, oh, that's not me.
Hey.
Find my spot.
Yeah, safe fella. Kaumatua's over there. Hey, your kaumatua status now, eh? Oh, awa. Everyone's slowly rolling in for the pōhuri. Oh, urus, man.
Later, bro. I'll follow you on YouTube.
Oh, cheer my plus. Thank you, babe. See. Here, Whānau, we have the matua of all matuas.
The donkey!
Cheer my plus. Bye.
Aye. Aye, bye.
Watch out for this fella, Whānau. He's a dodgy fella. Oh! This is Kapa Haka guy. Hey. Mapi.
Hello, my darling. My darling.
Wow. Yeah, good.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jada.
India. Hey. I want to see some pukanas, my bro. Morena. Everyone's just getting ready for the pōhuri now. This guy. What's my bro? How you? Yeah, good bro. You jamming up?
Yeah.
He's back. Thanks, Bobby. See you on stage. Hey.
Whānau, if you're staying in here, can you please get two and come and be a part of the pōhuri, please? I don't want anyone facing the stage. We need to be facing the pōhuri. We are all part of the pōhuri.
Duits.
cultures, both past, present and the future, for without their knowledge, their wisdom, their guidance and their forethought, we really wouldn't be where we are today, and I sincerely give them thanks. And it's upon the shoulders of those elders is where we have come to today, because they have paved the way for us as the next generation, for our children, for our Jarjums, and the next generation of Jarjums to come through and to follow in those footsteps and to make sure that they are guided by our ancestors, because this is, always will be, Aboriginal land. And I'd like to welcome you all here today for this special event. Please, whilst you are here, to respect the land that you are on, because we have been here for thousands and thousands of years, and we will continue to be here for the next thousands and thousands of years. And as I said, always was, always will be, Aboriginal land. So Jimbi Walu, Walu Jimbi, welcome to you in their country. And
mihi kāsika, te pare kura, o kirikiri roa, I toa whakai hua. Anō hoki, te pare kura o rākau mga tai kuri waka kai whia mai koutou. Huri, huri tēnā koutou, kai ho. Ka skwina te rākau. That's really far, look at us.
Do you know what? Who knows the Whānau? Does it? Yeah? Alright, well let's practice the Whānau because we'll be doing it throughout the day, okay? So, ready? When I say toru, what's our word that we're going to say? Toru Moemoea. Hey! Should we do that, eh? Tahirua toru wha.
Hononga Moemoea.
Maybe we need to go chair Māori.
Chair Māori? Should we say chair Māori?
Now then, Whānau.
We need some Māori angry in this area over here too, Whānau.
Chair
Māori! Yeah, a little bit more Whānau. Chair Māori! So any time throughout the day that you hear us say chair Māori, we're on a Whānau. Is it alright with you?
Another thing for the finish of the day, we've got a great reminder here. Someone's lost a phone this morning. Dancing on the dance floor clearly dropped his phone, and it's just up here on the stage. If you've lost your phone, come see us.
Just keep
It's on the stage over here, and we'll get it back to you. And following on with that, if you find anything that isn't yours, Whānau, please bring to the stage so we can return it back to its rightful owner, so they can go home the same way they got here.
If you lose your mokopuna, we'll have them at the side of the stage.
Oh, yeah.
kai karanga, ko tālai, warawiti, no te iwi o tūhoi, ko tā mātou whainga, he whakatūmana, he whakamana hoki, ia mātou rangatahi, kia hangai rātou, hei kaiarahi moa pongo, paki paki wairua.
Paki paki te whānau!
illegal. That's the one, right?
Sorry, send me hopefully I'll send you $6.
I was like, fuck, what's this? Gonna have to wait for it. Oh, this one is. Here, right? Oh, they just announced TAT come third, I believe. I think that's third. See, I'll find out. It's been a big day, Whānau, busy day. Oh yeah, it was third. Second place, Tarupo, I believe. I'm not too sure if that's the Perth Roku. Hey, it's been a busy day. Busy as. Oh, Perth's taking up the challenge. So what that means, Whānau, is Perth has picked up the challenge, I believe so, to host the next regionals for the Rangatahi. Sorry.
Ai te toki a haumie, huia!